what can I do? What video can I make with this hula loop? Oh guys, how about an hula loop tricks which I can do? So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Nevaeh Kapoor. So guys, today I am gonna do some tricks which I can do, but with my friend Hula Hoop. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. So guys, today I'm not just only gonna tell you how to I'm not gonna literally just show you what to do, want to do this or blah blah blah. I'm also gonna teach you how to do this. So guys, let's begin. Yeah. So guys, our first one is we are gonna do how about a normal one? Let's do a stomach one. Okay, come on, bend down. So guys, let me teach you how to do it. Let's begin. So guys, you have to hold it's like this, from this, like this. And then you have to hold it in a equal place, like this, and then you just have to move your hands like this, and just think. I don't know what you have to think. Okay, so you just have to do like this, and then woo. So guys, there are two ways I think I can do it. So one is this. Wait, I'll tell you one thing. Sometimes people do like this. Wait, I'll show you. I'll also tell you one thing in real life what happened with me, and I couldn't stop laughing. So yeah, let's do it, guys. If people do it like this also, see. Ooh, I did it, and it's not like this, guys. Okay, let me tell you the real story. So guys, the real story was I gave a challenge to my mom and dad that if you can do this or not. So when I saw my mom and dad, I couldn't stop laughing. They were literally doing like this, I'm done. And even I saw one person in my society, he was also doing like that. Literally, OMG, guys. So yeah. Now let me I couldn't stop laughing at that point. And now when I'm telling you the story, I can't stop laughing. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Next one, which I'm gonna do is, let me think. How about, so let me do the next one, guys. Let me show you guys how to. Let's do it. Hair back. Ugh. I wish I could just say and it was back. I'll just do it like this. Yeah, finally, guys. Okay, 3, 2, and 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Why did my hair come? Let's do it again, but with my hair right here. So let's. How about you go a little bit back? Yeah. Perfect. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. But if you have nice balance, you can do it perfectly. So now let me teach you how to do it. Okay, so guys, let me tell you. So what you have to do for this, so you basically, it's the same way you're doing the stomach one. You're moving like this, but in this, you have to mostly move your neck around like this. So next one which we are gonna do is, let's do our difficult one. Not the most difficult for today's video. So not the most difficult, guys. So yeah, this is this hand. Whoa. I think I'm in a clown land and I'm just hop stopping again and again and doing this. Okay, enough of doing that. So guys, let me teach you how to do it. So for this, I have 2 ways. I don't know all the ways, but basically the 2 ways which I really know very nicely and I can do it. So I really want to show it because why I'm showing this, because I don't know which strategy is comfortable for you or which is not. So yeah, let's do our first one, which is just hold this, like twist your hand a little like this and just go do it like this. Okay, so next one is a really nice one, which I think, but it's a little bit difficult. Yeah, so what you have to do is you just have to do your hands like this. Okay, you have to do it like this and then act like you're in a nail salon and you're just saying, can I have a nail, what do we say that? Nail art, yeah. Can I have a nail art? Act like you're a queen and I'll give you this much money if you do the best nail art in the world. And one I saw in a movie that girls are holding their bags like this, they're I don't remember the movie's name, but yeah, so they were holding their bag like this, is this good? Nah, I need another one. Yeah. So yeah, this is what they do. So for the next one, you have to do your hand. Imagine that you're having a nail art and move your hands. Okay, guys, can this stop? Come forward. I wish this was a person. Come forward. Yes, it's coming. Go forward. I can't hold it. Please, can someone stop this nonsense? I literally have to do this. Finally, guys. So now, for the next one, which we are gonna do, you have to learn doing the hand one with both the ways like this. Okay. What is happening right now? Yeah. Ooh. Yes, guys. So what you have to do? Okay. This is also naughty. Okay, guys. So don't think one is naughty and the second is not. Okay. So yeah. This one is a little bit tricky for the person who doesn't know it and who's a beginner. So yeah. So guys, let me show you what is it. Hands like this. Rotate. Oh, how about you wait? Ouch. Oh, you should go a little bit back. Or if I don't do that, there's glass here. My mama, I think my mama loves glasses and there are many glasses in our room, yeah, I think that because then, if I don't do it aside, this breaks and you know what will happen to me? I will never make videos again, guys, because I'll be killed, guys. Do you want that? That's why I'm putting that at the side. Yes, guys. Okay, so next we are doing this. As I told you. Wait, stop. Yeah. So for I told you what to do if you want to learn this. Ouch. Yeah. So you have to learn this. Ouch. This is happening right now. Yeah. This and this and this and this. How about the trick? Yeah. Like this and this and this. I'm looking like a clown again, guys. Oh. And another way, guys. Another way which you should really know that. Yeah. So when you rotate this, you should look in the middle and aim something in between. like I saw my friend doing it. One of my friend, but now I'm not her friend. It's okay. So yeah, this is now I'll show it fast and slow, and fast and slow. Okay, not that much. Okay, so let's do it. Ouch! It hurts sometimes. Whoa, guys! Let's do it slow. Act like a robot. I can't do more. Slow. I can't do slow-mos. Actually, my father told me to make the video slow. But I can't do that, guys. Okay, so yeah. So guys, I'll do it again for you. So yeah, now we'll do fast and then slow. Let's do it. Woo! Now let's do a slow. I'm not happy doing a slow mo. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, now let's move on to our next one. As you have seen, many people do skipping on a skipping rope, but today I've made a new invention. So, like in scientist, I've made something new. And so, guys, this is you can do skipping with a hula hoop. So I'll tell you how to do it. So you have to hold it like this and then I'm not good at this, guys. I'm so scared. Okay, let's do it, guys. I'll do at least one this time at least. I'm scared. Wait. Okay, guys, let's do it. Ouch, I got hurt on my back. Let's do it. Why I'm not able to do it? I'm making my invention. Let me talk to new scientists. Can you please teach me how to do it? Guys, let's do it. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's do it. Whoa! Okay. Now, guys, I'm so happy I did it. Let's do it again, guys. I think I can do it. Oh. Ouch. Ouch. Why do I always get hurt with this? Be careful, guys. I think the next time, sure, my head is gonna get hurt. I know. Soon. Ow! I knew it, guys. I knew it. So yeah. Now, guys, I'm over with this. I need the real skipping rope, guys. Let me make the circle, the bubble, to get my hula hoop from the drawer. My new invention. Let's do this. Where is it? Where is it? I need it. I think I'm getting it. Yes, guys, did you see that? Yes. Yeah. So guys, now who needs this? Let me take this. Come on. Now you have to be stable. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. I've not opened this one. I don't know. So yeah. So let me open this. let me do it a little bit small. So because guys, if I do it a little bit bigger, and you know what? If like I'm telling you something, if like anything, like if my friend is, making a bubble, and he or she wants to do something like, and he or she is doing my magic. So he'll just take his hand out, and he would not know that's a flower pot, and he'll push it, and it's gonna break. And then, you know what will happen? I'll just keep it aside. Let me show you a little bit act. My mother will come. Nevaeh, what is happening? I'll just hide it a little like this. Then I'll say, oh, no, Mama, nothing is happening right here. I'm just talking to my friend on the phone. And you know what will happen? I'll go to sleep like this. I'll just go to sleep. Okay, and then my mother will come. Oh, my kid is sleeping. Let me check. My flower bird! Who did this? You? I know you did this, Nevaeh. Mrs. Nevaeh or Mr. Nevaeh? I don't know, guys. But my mother doesn't act like that. It was just, yeah. It was just an act, guys. Yeah. Be careful, guys, from your mother, or you'll break that pot. Okay. Now let's do it, guys. And I hope I can do it. 3 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ouch! I got hurt, guys. But I think I can do it till 20. I stopped it because, it's enough for today. I'm really tired. I need water. But there's no water beside me. What can I do, guys? So, guys, this is it for this video. So, it's it for the day, actually, guys. So, I'll make a next video. I don't know. But you know what? If you don't like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, my mother will come. Please subscribe to my daughter's YouTube channel and like too, or you'll get a big slap, guys. Bye.